In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to download CodeBlocks in laptop or PC. First of all, open any browser on your laptop and then search here CodeBlocks like so. Then open the first website, which is from CodeBlocks, and when you open this website, click on downloads from this left hand side, and when you click on it, then it will show you all of the downloads type. So if you want to download the binary release, then for that click on the first site, and in case you want to download the source code, then you can do that too. I want to download the CodeBlocks app, then for that we need to click on download the binary release like so, and from here we need to choose the device we want to install CodeBlocks in. So I want to install CodeBlocks in my Windows 11. So that's why I need to select the first option. In case you are downloading for Linux 32 or 64-bit, then select the second option. If you are doing it for Mac, then you can select that too. I want to download it my Windows 11, so I'll just select that, and now you can see this is the file I can download for my Windows 11. So mostly I recommend you to download this one, which is CodeBlocks 25.03 version. Currently 25.03 is the latest version. If you are downloading it later, then the version might be different. So this is the file we want to download, which is in the fourth place. So CodeBlocks 25.03 mingw setup.exe. So we need to download it. For that, click on this link right here, and after some time the downloading will automatically begin on your laptop, and you can see the setup file size here, which is 404 MBs. And once the file is downloaded, we need to open that in our download location, and when you open it, we just need to double tap on the setup file like so, and then it will start the installation process on your laptop. It might ask you for administration permission, just click on yes, and now on the next window we'll see this welcome to CodeBlocks setup interface. Here we need to click on next and agree the conditions like this. Choose the plugins you want to install. Again click on next, and now we need to choose the destination folder where we want to install this file. So I want to install it here. Then click on install like this, and then the CodeBlocks software will start installing. Now the installation process has been finished. I can just double tap on the CodeBlocks icon on my desktop, and then it will open the app. So this is the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.